What is on that backpack?
Is there a cute door on it?
I think so.
What's he floating with?
What are those?
Are they balloons?
They are.
Where's his friend?
I don't know. What's inside the backpack?
Think. Who's this?
Who is that?
Is that Keith George?
It is.
He's putting Curious George to snuggle Daddy?
He's for you. That's your Curious George from Grandma.
Yeah.
Is there anything else in the backpack? In the other pocket?
The pocket in front.
Here. Keep zipping.
There's books.
Yeah, keep zipping. See which books you got. Zip a little more. Just zip a little bit more.
Yeah. There you go. And a little bit more. Good job.
Look at all those books.
Look at all those books. What are those books about?
They're about Keith George.
Cool, huh?
What's this book about?
This book, let's see. What does it say on the front? This book is about Curious George making pancakes.
Can you say, look over here for a second, Lucy. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you.